What do you often do on your day off?
I engage in several activities on my day off. In the morning, I take care of chores like doing my laundry and tidying up my room. Afterwards, I ensure my electric bike is fully charged. I occasionally prepare my own lunch at home, but I also like to dine at Cantonese restaurants. During the afternoon, I hop on my bike and head to Starbucks to savor a cup of coffee. In the evening, I usually catch a movie, often opting for newly released ones. That's the typical way I spend my day off.
Contact Dr. N in England.